In one of my poems, I say, things change, but the process by which they change remains the same. This is a poem I recently had published in the journal Gravel in the current issue. Now, here's what that means. First of all, Heraclitus said you cannot step into the same river twice. That's wrong. The river is a process which remains the same from one moment to the next. The atoms are constantly moving, but the process by which they change remains the same from one moment to the next. That process itself changes, but it changes relative to a greater process. So the body changes relative to a process. Thoughts are, in a sense, not like personality. Thoughts change constantly. You can't predict which thoughts you'll be thinking an hour from now. You can control them to a certain degree, but personality is more like a process which remains the same from one moment to the next. And personality, for the most part, does not change except very gradually. So this is a universal system. Waves wash up onto the beach, but the process by which those waves wash onto the beach remains the same from one moment to the next. The tide comes in, the tide goes out. Geese fly overhead in a V, constantly moving, but the process by which they move remains the same. A planet orbits a star, constantly changing its position in space, but the process by which it orbits the star remains the same. Thank you.